Right, rights to representation, kailangan may karapatan tayong marinig or magbigay ng hinaing, no, ng complaints para marinig tayo ng gobyerno or mga agency or mga kaukulan na pwede may magawa sa problema natin. Okay? Next, number 6, right to redress. Consumers may seek compensation, replacement, or refund for defective or substandard products. Okay. So tatlo yung pwedeng maging sagot sa tanong natin kanina, no? Right to safety, right to information, and right to redress. Because dapat kung yung mga product na substandard, pwede natin palitan. So nakaranas ka naman ng right to redress, yes, nagamit ko siya. Nung bumili ako, nag-grocery kami sa SNR, no? Bumili ako ng dalawang Calbee na malaki na honey butter. Okay? Pagdating ko dito sa bahay, wala siyang lasa, hindi siya honey butter talaga. Lasang plain lang siya. So tumawag ako sa ano ng Robinson Rubina, no? Sabi ko wala pong lasa yung yung honey butter, okay? So, may pinapunta sila ditong delivery rider, kinakuha sa akin yung product, okay? Pero pinalitan nila ng mas madaming product ng chichirya, okay? Mas madaming ah Lay's, honey butter, iba't iba chichirias, madami silang pinanagay. So, yun yung right to redress. Kailangan may karapatan ka to seek compensation, palitan or isauli yung binayad mo, palitan yung binili mong produkto, or refund for defective or substandard products. Okay, number 7, right to consumer education. Consumer have the right to acquire knowledge and skills to make informed purchasing decisions. Okay, consumers have the right to acquire knowledge and skills to make informed purchasing decisions. Okay, number 8, right to healthy environment. Consumers are entitled to live and work in an environment that is not dangerous to their health and well-being. Okay? Ayan, very self-explanatory. Okay, matatapos na tayo. Sige. Apply nga natin yung mga rights of the consumers. Okay? During a class project, students were asked to compare shampoo brands. Also notices that one brand advertised 100% organic daw and clinically proven, but the label did not include a full list of ingredients or any scientific backing for the claims. Concerned, he wondered how consumers could make informed choices based on vague, malabo, or misleading na packaging. Which consumer rights empower set to demand transparency from the product labels? A, right to healthy environment. B, right to representation. Or letter C, right to information. It's letter C. Madali lang yan. Okay? Next. Okay. After the typhoon hit their town, Lisa and her neighbors had difficulty finding clean water, food, and medicine because a few stores that remained open raised prices, okay, dramatically. Okay? Making essential goods at unaffordable to many. Anong nilalabag nila? Rights to basic needs. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Hindi ka pwede magtaas dahil lang mataas ang demands. Okay? Alam na natin yan. Okay. Okay. While shopping at a grocery store, next na tayo ha. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa rights natin mga consumer. Punta naman tayo sa responsibilities ng mga consumer. Okay? Under ng consumer education. Okay? While shopping grocery, you see a section where the expiration dates on canned goods are either smudged, nabura, or natakpan, missing. What should you do as a responsible consumer? Of course, we need to inform the store manager or report the incident to DTI. Hindi kasi pwedeng ganon. May mga stores kasi na sinasadya mismo nila i-smudge or takpan yung mga expiration date because hindi nabebenta and they still want to generate profit from it. Okay? So, kaya kailangan natin i-inform yung manager pag hindi na pinalitan, then report it to the DTI. Okay? Yan yung ginagawa ng isang responsibility natin as consumer. Okay? Letter B, consumer responsibilities. Ano yung mga consumer responsibilities natin under RA 7394? Kailangan be informed. Okay? Read labels. Okay? Kailangan din magbasa-basa din tayo kasi, di ba? Magbasa-basa din tayo. Instructions and product information before purchasing. Okay? Kasi mamaya tingin-tingin lang tayo, ay akala ko ito pala yun, iba pala yung function niya. Okay? Number 2, practice wise buying. Compare prices and quality before making a purchase. Okay? Ano tina-target natin dito para mas makatipid pa tayo? Okay? Number 3, use product properly. Follow instructions for safe and correct use of the products and services. Sundin natin. Kasi mamaya pag hindi natin sundan, tayo magkakasakit or masisira yung phrases natin, may mangyayaring masama, hindi maganda. Tapos nasisisihin natin yung isang kumpanya or ang isang produkto sa kasalanan naman nating hindi tayo nagbasa. Okay? Number 4, exercise consumer rights responsibly. Okay? Report defective or unsafe products through proper channels. Kung kanino mo dapat report. Ang social media ba ay proper channels? No. Okay? We need to report on the proper or right departments, okay, or offices. Next, be environmentally responsible. Practice proper waste disposal and avoid harmful products. Okay, ano yung mga harmful products na ini-enjoy natin gamitin ngayon na hindi natin alam na harmful pala? Okay? Isa dyan ang air conditioning because air conditioning produces aside from carbon dioxide, may ano to? Chlorofluorocarbon. Okay? Chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. Tinatawag natin CFC. CFC. Chlorofluorocarbon. Yan ang pinoproduce ng aircon. Okay? At saka ng mga refrigerator. Okay? Galing yan dun sa pangpalamig. Okay? Si chlorofluorocarbon, siya yung bumubutas sa layers ng Earth. Okay? So, kaya nakakapasok yung nakakadagdag siya sa greenhouse effect ng Earth. Kaya natatrap yung init. Okay? Yes, ozone layers. Very good. Number 6, let's support fair trade practices. Okay? Let's patronize honest businesses and avoid illegal or unsafe goods. Sir, ano to? Ano to mga to? Okay? Ibig sabihin, supportan natin yung mga totoong on business, yung mga nagbabayad ng tax. Hindi yung bumibili ka dyan ng Grammarly sa 75 pesos. Ng Netflix sa 100 pesos. Okay, di ba? Dati nag-avail din ako na ngayon ng ganon. Okay, so, ayan. Next. That's it pala. Ayan. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learn a lot. I think Sir Chan is bitin daw. Maybe, you're so eager to learn.